Rahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. This is Chan Awaz Rustamani, and I welcome to all of you at my channel Knowledge for All Seekers. I hope that you all are fine wherever you are. We are in series of KOHA software training, and in last video, we learned that how to add patron category and how to create patron, means how to make membership. Okay, so I hope that you have learned very well, and in today's video, we are going to learn that how to harvest record from Library of Congress or any other database. Okay, how we can harvest a record and how we can do cataloging in Koha software. Okay, so without wasting any time, we are going to start that how we can harvest a record from Library of Congress database or any other database. Okay, so for that, first of all, we have to go in cataloging module. Okay, we have to go in cataloging module for this. Click on cataloging and then click on new from Z3 9.50. Okay, Z3 9.50 for going to database of Library of Congress or another database. Okay, so click on Z3 9.50 and here you have to write any ISBN if you know the ISBN of any title or ISSN of any journal or magazine or title of the book or any journal or magazine author subject heading if you want to, if you know anything about these things, anything about your particular document. So for example, we are going to search title which is about, for example, uh, introduction to or object oriented programming in C++. Okay. For example, we know the title of this book, and we want to search these titles from Library of Congress database. Here, we have click on Library of Congress database. So, write title or ISBN or author, whatever you know, and click on search. For example, if you know the writer also, for example, Robert Lafor, it is our author. Okay, we are going to search this title and this author from Library of Congress database. Okay, click on search. So see here it is searching. Object oriented programming in C++ by Robert Lafor is not available. Okay, so let's try another one. For example, we are writing only C++. Okay, C++ and click on search. So this title will be searched from Library of Congress database. See here, these all books are related to C++. Okay, these are titles are related to C++. So there are many titles. There are 73 titles available about C++. Okay, total number of titles are 73. Sorry, it is 73 pages. Okay, 73 pages are available for this title only. Okay, so it means that there are a lot of titles available for C++ in Library of Congress database. Okay, so for example, we are importing this title, and we are going to make it in our put it in our database. So click on actions and import this database. Okay, click on import this title. Okay, so now we are importing this title to our own database. Click on import. So this title will be available in our own database. See here, this record is now in our own database. We just have to click on save. Okay, so if you want to change anything from this, you can change. You can write ISBN, you can write anything else. If you know, for example, ISBN, for example title, or for example call number. You want to change call number, you can change here. You can write here author. So if you want to do any thing, any changes, you can do it from here. Okay, and then you have to click on save. Okay, after importing, you have to click on save. So this title will be saved in our own database. So click on save. It is saving that. Okay, we have to write anything in these tags also. Okay, 003 tags is empty, so we have to write anything in 003 tab. Okay, so this is empty, so that's why we have to wrote ost. Okay, and another was, I forget another, 942. Okay, so write in 942 field also, tag number 942. So we have to write here also. We have to write item type. Okay, which type is our, which type is this? This is a book. Okay, so that's why we are going to click on book. If it is computer file, you have to click on this. If it is map, then you have to click on map. It is a reference material, thesis, or something else, so you have to select this from here. Okay, so this is a book, so we have to click on books, and then we have to save. So see here, our database, our record is saved. If you want to write anything, edit thing, any edit thing, so you have to write. Okay, you have to select library from there. Any library you want to select, then select it from here. Current location, for example, I am putting it into mute library. Okay, or lending collection, or okay, I am going to click on lending collection. So location is now lending collection. Date is same. You have to write here source of acquisition, inventory number, or anything else you want to write from these things, you can write here. Okay, for example, its barcode is, for example, this is barcode, or you can say accession number. Okay, so you can write anything here from these fields. Okay, and in the last you have to click on add item. Okay, this is how we can do cataloging and harvesting. Click on add item. So see here, our record is saved in our own database. Okay, see here, whole details about this book. So for example, we want to search this catalog, search this title through accession number. Just click on search the catalog and write accession number here, 111111. This is accession number. Okay, or you can say barcode. So search barcode here and click on submit. So this is our book which we have harvested from Library of Congress database. So these are the details about this book. Okay, this is the title, this is author, material type is book, publisher is New York, MNT, M&T books. Here is this description, ISBN number, whatever. All these things are related to this title. And this is a added thing. Okay, this is a lending collection book, and library is mute library, and this is its call number. Status is available. This book is available for issue or loan. This is a date, and this is a barcode. You can edit from here also. Okay, you can edit this record from here also. So this is how we can harvest and do cataloging from in Library of Congress. I hope that you have understand very well. If you have not understood anything, you can ask me in comments or you can contact me. And if you have liked this video, you can share it with your friends. And also, if you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it and also share it with your friends. Okay. So till next lecture, till next video, take care a lot of yours. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Bye.